Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, provides a profound framework for organizing your life in a way that fosters wisdom, resilience, and inner peace. By adopting Stoic principles, you can navigate life's challenges with a calm and rational mindset. Here's how to organize your life in a Stoic manner. 1. Define your values. Begin by identifying your core values, such as wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control. These values will serve as your guiding principles, helping you make decisions aligned with your true self. 2. Focus on what's within your control. Stoicism teaches that you should concern yourself only with what's within your control. External events, people's opinions, and the past are beyond your control. Focus on your thoughts, actions, and responses. 3. Accept the natural order. Embrace the Stoic concept of accepting the natural order of the universe. Understand that life is full of ups and downs, and adversity is inevitable. Instead of resisting, accept these challenges as opportunities for growth. 4. Cultivate gratitude. Practice gratitude for the present moment and what you have. Recognize that everything you possess is on loan from the universe, and it can be taken away at any moment. This perspective fosters contentment and reduces attachment to material possessions. 5. Live in accordance with virtue. Make decisions based on virtuous principles rather than fleeting desires or external pressures. Act justly, courageously, and with wisdom in all aspects of your life. 6. Practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness to stay present and attentive to your thoughts and actions. This practice allows you to respond to situations with clarity and purpose rather than reacting impulsively. 7. Contemplate impermanence. Stoicism encourages reflection on the impermanence of all things. Remember that life is fleeting, and the only constant is change. This awareness helps you appreciate the present moment and prioritize what truly matters. 8. Embrace Stoic resilience. Develop mental resilience by exposing yourself to discomfort and adversity intentionally. This practice builds your capacity to endure challenges and remain steadfast in the face of adversity. 9. Use the Stoic journal. Keep a Stoic journal to record your daily reflections, challenges, and progress in living in accordance with Stoic principles. This practice fosters self-awareness and reinforces your commitment to Stoic ideals. 10. Seek wisdom. Continuously seek wisdom through learning, self-improvement, and introspection. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of growing in wisdom throughout your life. 11. Be mindful of time. Recognize that time is your most valuable resource. Spend it wisely on endeavors that align with your values and bring fulfillment. 12. Foster Stoic community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share Stoic values. Engage in discussions, share experiences, and support one another on your Stoic journey. By organizing your life in a Stoic manner, you cultivate a mindset that allows you to thrive in any circumstance. Stoicism equips you with the tools to lead a life of virtue, resilience, and serenity, regardless of the challenges that come your way. It's a timeless philosophy that empowers you to find meaning and fulfillment in every moment.